Just listening. Sounds of Cromwell Bottom, building a dam. Audio quality is usually best using headphones. On the old canal in the reserve, volunteers are constructing a dam. The water in the dam will be used to top up the nearby pond in dry weather.
How are we looking down here?
Well, I get it to the top.
From this side,
Yeah.
we need that push, see, to get it in line with the end.
Yeah, we still here. Yeah.
Right.
Just keep them outside
And then we can buy it secure then when we get back, because there's a lot of knotweed around here. So we really are going to have to buy secure.
Tilt it up on its end. Yep. Right, 1, 2, 3, and check. That's it. I've actually got a bit of space. Yeah, right, 1, 2, 3, wait. Leave it towards me. That's it, then back up, straight. And then to me, 1, 2, 3. Nice! Look at that! Brilliant. That was smashing, that was.
Smashing.
Something to it. Good job.
We didn't make a good dam, my dear.
Jennifer explains the roles of volunteers on the reserve.
People they don't really know what we do. Obviously they see me on a Thursday, litter picking, but other than that, I bet people don't think. I don't think lots of people know that we're volunteers even. I think if they see us like this, they just think we're employed by the council.